This bull run, projected from 2025 to 2028, is fundamentally different from previous market cycles. It's being driven not just by speculation or retail hype, but by a structural transformation of digital finance and AI infrastructure. Here's why this cycle is uniquely powerful, especially for ecosystems like Songbird, SGB, Flare, FLR, and quantum AI-driven DeFi projects. 1. AI agents are replacing manual DeFi interaction. Why it matters. We're entering the automation era of DeFi, where intelligent agents, powered by quantum AI and cloud compute, optimize yield, loans, governance, and cross-chain asset movement without human input. This makes DeFi accessible to institutions, funds, and non-technical users at scale. Key role of Flare and Songbird. Flare's state connector and FTSO feed accurate real-time data into AI models. Songbird is a real-world testbed for autonomous agents and smart contracts, simulating everything from auto-voting DAOs to predictive risk management. 2. Cross-chain DeFi becomes institutional grade. What's changed? Flare unlocks smart contract functionality for traditionally non-programmable chains, like Xrp, BTC, HBR. Tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, wrapped assets, and yield-bearing NFTs now function in a single interoperable environment, finally realizing the multi-chain DeFi thesis. Why it's bullish. Institutional investors require asset security, price feeds, and real-world utility, all delivered by Flare Finance, FlareX, and AI-driven DeFi vaults. Quantum AI agents ensure regulatory compliance, credit risk scoring, and liquidity routing at speeds and scale unmatched in past cycles. 3. Institutions are no longer on the sidelines, 2025 to 2028. Outlook. Banks, hedge funds, and asset managers are integrating blockchain-native yields into structured products. BlackRock, Fidelity, and sovereign funds are exploring tokenized bond markets, art, carbon credits, and AI data models, all of which Denarii-like platforms are positioned to offer. Why SGB FLR matter. Flare provides regulatory-aligned, EVM-compatible tools with built-in data assurance. Songbird acts as a sandbox for compliance, allowing real-world simulations before capital deployment. 4. Quantum compute plus AI equals predictive DeFi key shift. Quantum-enhanced AI models are enabling multi-chain arbitrage in real time, predictive pricing for NFTs and assets, dynamic collateral models that respond to global news events. Flare's edge. The state connector allows these quantum AI systems to operate across blockchains. Wrapped assets on Flare can interact with both on-chain logic and off-chain machine learning, unlocking predictive finance tools previously impossible. 5. Smart agents will outperform human traders. Strategic shift. AI agents are trained on years of blockchain transaction data, NFT trading behavior, macroeconomic trends, and DeFi yields. These agents will autonomously farm, lend, rebalance, and vote, outperforming manual DeFi users and traditional robo-advisors. Why Flare is key. Flare Compute and Cloud API integration, e.g. with Google Cloud, let agents bridge the gap between Web2 analytics and Web3 execution. Denarii-style platforms using Flare can host AI art curators, treasury bots, NFT sentiment oracles, and cross-chain trading agents. 6. Real-world assets, RWAs, are the killer use case 2025-2028 reality. The next wave of DeFi will tokenize trillions in RWAs, real estate, invoices, music royalties, art, and data models. These assets require smart collateral, secure oracles, and regulatory infrastructure, which Flare provides natively. Denarii Advantage, tokenized art, physical print logistics, global agents, all integrated with Flare's DAO, DeFi, and smart supply chain stack. AI risk engines plus Flare smart contracts enable institutional access to tokenized culture, not just financial assets. 7. SGB and FLR are positioned as infrastructure for the intelligent Web3. Songbird, SGB, enables live experimentation with DAO models, DeFi vaults, and quantum AI tools before scaling to Flare. Flare, FLR, is the settlement and execution layer for next-gen smart agents, RWAs, and AI-curated marketplaces. Both networks offer the composability, decentralization, and tooling needed to host scalable, AI-integrated financial systems. Conclusion: this bull run is intelligence-driven. This isn't just another cycle. It's a technological convergence. Quantum AI plus multi-chain finance, decentralized agents plus real-world adoption, programmable assets plus cloud automation. With SGB and FLR as foundational layers, platforms like DenariiDFi are positioned at the intersection of finance, art, and AI infrastructure, the epicenter of the 2025-2028 Web3 renaissance.